morning. Welcome to day 19. Nope, day 20. We're in day 20. It is the 19th, but it is day 20 of Vlogmas. And today's one of those days where I have a really long list of to-dos to do, but I have to prioritize what I really need to do because it's going to be a busy weekend, but there are some things that can obviously wait until tomorrow. So that's what I need to identify are the things that I really must get done. We're going to be having a birthday party tonight for my dad. Today's his actual birthday too. He turns 70 today. So a big milestone birthday for him. He said that this is the birthday that he's been anticipating the most, and I want to make it special for him. What I really wanted to have for him, unfortunately, we were not able to uncover the specific video that I was looking for, and Jorge he ordered a certain device, or he ordered something to be able to show the videos on the TV, I think, or to be able to go through them, or whatever it is. I don't know, because I'm not handling that part of it. But that's not going to be here until I think next week, maybe. We will just have to see. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing, but I just hope that at some point we'll be able to find that specific video that he had told us about and that he wanted to see. But there were a lot of other videos too that were in there, and it was neat to just kind of, even though it was on the camcorder that I was watching it, it was neat to just kind of see some of that, or to know that we even have that footage. So at some point I want to digitize a lot of those. And then now I need to sign my daughter out of high school. I just can't believe it. This is her last day of school, and I'm going to go sign her out, and then she will be graduated. We're going to get her transcripts. That way we can take them to the college, and it's a big day, big day. So then it will all be about getting ready for the party tonight. And what was nice was that I came home and all of the dishes are done. So there was a nice little elf that came around and did the dishes, which I'm so grateful for. Just thank you again for being here. Thank you for engaging in my content, and I hope that you're still loving Vlogmas and that you will be here until the last day. Okay, so we're back home. I am in the kitchen getting albondigas soup made. Jorge's going to be making his famous salsa that was his mom's recipe, although he's tweaked it to make it his own, and eventually I will share that with you. But albondigas is on the stove, as well as some hamburger meat that I'm just boiling, because we're gonna have two different kinds of tacos. The kind that is like my mom's family's recipe, and then some street tacos. So I think Jorge is going to be grilling some steak meat as well as some chicken, and then I'm going to have hamburger meat for kind of like the fried tacos that I make. My sister really wanted those. So we also have some shredded lettuce that we put in those. But right now Ayla is making my dad's birthday cake. So she already baked it, put it in the freezer for just a little bit to make sure that it's nice and cool, and you can easily spread the frosting on there. No? You don't think it's easily spreadable?
It's never easily spreadable.
Ooh, what happened?
That.
Oh no, that's why we don't cover.
No.
It's okay, it's fine.
I didn't want it dry.
That is a real, do you want a spatula?
No.
Okay.
This makes it so it's easy.
Okay. All right, so she also has some piping tips that she's going to use for decorating the cake. We have another jar of frosting here, and then we got some golden sprinkles, 70th birthday, gold. That's what I was thinking. And then here are the piping
tips and the bag and everything. She's really good at all that. So I leave all of that to her. Now I got these from, ooh, some stuff got on there. I got these from Target, and I want to see if they will fit in. Yes, they will. Oh yeah, Walmart. I don't know why I keep saying the wrong store sometimes. Anyway, these are going to be perfect in this little dome plate that my mother-in-law gifted me to have. I just think that this will be the perfect addition for that. And then I know that they have smaller ones, and when I find some that are much smaller, I will use it for that little plate up there. So we have some chips. I went to the store with Ayla. We just got a few things that we were going to need for the party tonight. I still need to chop up some cilantro, and great news, Ayla is now a graduate. So 2 down, 2 to go. But everything is pretty much done that I can do, I feel. So I'm just waiting for the albondiga soup to be finished, but I feel like that's such an easy soup for me to make. It's pretty quick and simple. There are just a few extra ingredients that, you know, would take a little bit of extra time, like the Anaheim peppers and things like that, but it will be ready for him. I'm a little nervous about when Jorge's going to get home to get all of this done so that it's done in time. But one of the things that I was thinking was that I am going to need to have Jorge help me, or, you know, have one of the girls help me bring in the round table that we have outside, because the preacher and his wife are coming with their kids, and I think that we need some extra seating. So I wanted to bring the round table in and possibly put it over there, just where it's on the hard floor. And then, you know, it's just less likely where you have to worry about the kids getting their messy hands on, you know, fabric and whatnot. So I'm going to do that, but I'm gonna go curl my hair right now. That's what I need to do. I don't want it to be one of those last minute things I'm running around doing. I have an hour until everybody gets here. So I'm just going to curl my hair, kind of take a breather, you know, when you're running around back and forth doing everything, going here, going there, you can get kind of worked up. So I just need to kind of calm myself right now. I feel like I'm just doing all the things, but it's okay. It's a great day. It's been an exciting day, but it's also been a little nerve-wracking because of, you know, all the things. But I signed her out of school. She has her letter, so because she has to present this letter at the college to prove that she's graduated and whatnot, especially because certain things don't go in until like the 12th of January, but she will have already started school by then. I think the final grades or something. So that was a little nerve-wracking when I heard that. But anyway, all is well. And yeah, just, oh, and the other thing is I have a card for my dad that I need to sign as well. So I'm going to do my hair, sign the card, turn off the stuff because now the soup is done, and then finish everything up.
gonna lose it.
How do you know how to do that, Mother?
Because my mom made me.
That's an interesting.
Happy birthday to you.
And then
We got space to work. Welcome to Inspired by Nikki. On today's episode, taking out palm trees because Nikki doesn't like them.